everyone, it is Thursday, so click on the Thursday link and then make sure that you go and check in on campus if you haven't already. Today we're going to be looking at evidence and citations, so you guys are going to keep practicing with evidence and citations and use the knowledge that you got yesterday about evidence and citations. So all of your work is due by midnight tonight. You guys are just going to be practicing on No Red Ink. So click on this link here and it should bring you to No Red Ink. If you aren't signed up already, if you haven't signed up, hit sign up as a student and then click I don't have a class code and then hit sign up with Clever. And it'll ask you for your school district, or it'll already put you in a school district, and then click login with Google. So if you haven't signed up already, that's how you do it. If you have signed up, you should see an assignment for citations and evidence. Also make sure that you have your evidence written and cited and put on your outline from yesterday. So you should have 2 pieces of evidence that support your thesis and topic sentence. So make sure that those are on your outline and that they are cited and ready to go. Have a great day, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.